Hello student. Today we have to going to start the new chapter of chemistry is a solid state. In this session we have to mainly discuss the basic information related to the matter and the solid. Myself Bharat Patil. Let us start the solid state. First of all we have to discuss the concept matter. Then student, what is the matter? The matter, anything that we have to first of all we have to see the example. Here we have to see the table and chair, then water in glass and the parachute containing the gas. Here the matter is occupy some space and possess some mass. Means the substance which some occupies some space and possess some mass, it called as the matter. Then which are the state of matter? We have to see the first state is a solid state, is a liquid state, and the last one is a gaseous state. तर या सर्व स्टेट आपल्याला माहीतच आहेत. is a solid state, is a ice, is a water, is a liquid state, and the steam is a gaseous state. Can you convert this state one to another? Is a interconvertible? Yes, they are the interconvertible. How? By using the temperature, this state it can be interconvertible. Means giving heat, the ice goes into water state, and water it can into the vapor state. Then suppose is the plus delta. The plus delta is means heating. Then solid goes into the liquid state. Again liquid heated to goes into the gaseous state. Suppose the gaseous cool is a negative delta means cooling. Then it is a liquid state. Liquid cool it can be goes into the solid state. म्हणजे पाण्याला जर आपण उष्णता दिली तर गॅसेस तयार होतात आणि जर त्याला कूल केलं तर ते सॉलिड फॉर्म मध्ये आईस तयार होतो. हे तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे. सेम इथे तेच सांगितलेलं आहे का सॉलिडला जर उष्णता दिली तुम्ही तर लिक्विडला उष्णता गॅस, आणि जर रिव्हर्स आलो आपण तर गॅसेस पासून लिक्विड आणि लिक्विड पासून काय सॉलिड. ठीक आहे. अँड दिस फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मॅटर are the result interplay of intermolecular force of attraction, and in the solid, liquid and gas there are the intermolecular force of attraction. Then which force are present into that? The first one is a dipole interaction, second one dipole induced dipole interaction, London force, and hydrogen bonding. These are the forces present into the solid, liquid and gaseous state. On the basis of that we have to solve some MCQ. The first one, the matter is anything that occupy ... and possess. Then what is a some mass some space, some space some mass, some mass some mass, or some space some space? The answer is the some space and some possess some mass. Okay. The second MCQ, the general perceivable state of matter that we come across in our daily life, means how many state of matter we have to use into the daily life? Is a 3, is a 5, is a 7 or 8? Which are the state we have to generally use? Liquid, solid and gas. Is a 3. Is the answer is a 3. The next one, physical state of matter is a result of an interplay of is a intermolecular force, is a intramolecular force, is a mutual force, or both A and B. The which force we have to see? Is a intermolecular force. The next is a intermolecular force are. Which intermolecular force are present into the matter? Is a dipole dipole induced dipole, London force, or all of these? Means all these are force, they are the present into the matter, therefore all of these is a correct answer. In the next session we say the characteristics of solid. Then what is a solid? The characteristics of solid, here we have to see the wood cube. Then what is the first property? Is a solid have is a definite composition. is a definite composition, definite mass, volume, definite shape, and the density. Second one is a packing. In the solid, liquid and gas, how the particles are packing into it, we have to see. In case of solid, then is a more closely packed. In a liquid, is a less closely packed. In gases, they are the very loose packing or the least close packing. Then next one is a density. What about the density of these three? The density is a mass divided by volume. Suppose you have to choose the density, then what is the effect of density? In case of a solid, there the packing is a more, therefore the density is a maximum. Here in that microscopic view we see the 12 particles. In case of a liquid, we have to just see the 6 particles. Okay, and the last one, in a gaseous, we have to see only 3 particles. That means the density of solid is a very high. In case of gas is the least and the liquid is a moderate. म्हणजे सर्वात जास्त डेन्सिटी कोणाची असते? सॉलिडची, कारण त्यांच्या पॅकिंग कशी असते? त्याची क्लोज पॅकिंग असते. समजा आपण मायक्रोस्कोपिक व्ह्यू जर बघितलं सॉलिडचा, तर वी हॅव टू व्हिज्युअलाइज लाईक दॅट, अँड अगेन वी हॅव टू सी, then there is a tightly bonding of constituent particle into the solid. म्हणजे आपल्या लक्षात येईल solid have the fixed composition, have fixed mass, volume, shape and density. And what is the order of density? is a solid greater than liquid greater than gas. एक्सेप्शन केस मध्ये काय आहे, तर बर्फाची जी घनता असते ती कशी असते? कमी असते कोणापेक्षा? पाण्यापेक्षा. म्हणून बर्फ काय पाण्यावर तरंगतो. In the solid is the intermolecular distance is the shortest. And the next one, इथे काय बघितो आपण, एखादा सॉलिड सबस्टन्स आहे आणि दोन्ही ती मुलं पुश करतात, बरोबर आहे, म्हणजे त्याच्यावर त्याच्या आकारामध्ये काय बदल होईल का रे? नाही. म्हणजे दे आर द कॅनॉट इंटर कॉम्प्रेस, देअरफॉर दे आर द इनकॉम्प्रेसिबल इन नेचर. The solid have the strong intermolecular force of attraction, and suppose the any solid which has the weak intermolecular force of attraction have the low melting point, and the solid have the strong intermolecular force of attraction which has the high melting point. These are the packing we have to see into the solid is a fix, and there are the presence of vibrational motion into the particle. Okay, means which motion they are the present is a vibratory motion, they are the present into the solid. Then we have to solve the MCQ on the basis of that. The solid have the solid with the fixed composition have fixed mass, volume, shape, or all of these. Then you have to call the all of these means the solid have the fixed mass, volume and shape. The next one, the solid particle have dot 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 intermolecular force of attraction is a weak, is a strong, is a moderate or zero. Then we have to see in the solid there are the strong intermolecular force of attraction. The next question, the solid have dot dot motion. Which motion they are the present into the solid? Is a linear, is a rotational, is a translational or vibratory? Then we have to see is a vibratory, is a motion the present into the solid. And the next question, the select the false statement. Is a solid are the incompressible nature? Yes, it is a true. The solid have the small intermolecular distance? Yes, it is also true. The solid particle have the random position. And the last one, the solid have the high density, is a correct. The C is a wrong one. Okay. And the last topic is a classification of solid. Classification of solid into the two type. The first one is a crystalline solid, another one is a amorphous solid. Crystalline solid. The characteristics of a crystalline solid. Here we have to see the common salt is one of the example of crystalline solid. Then what is the formula of common salt? All of you know. What is the name? Is a sodium chloride, and the formula is a NaCl. Like that, they are the packing into the common salt Na plus and Cl minus ion. Like that, the three-dimensional structure of that NaCl. The packing of Na plus and Cl minus is a regular, is a uniform and the homogeneous. म्हणजे या आयनची जी अरेंजमेंट असते ती सारखी असते, ती बदलत नसते. म्हणजे Cl नंतर Na प्लस आयन, देन Cl मायनस आयन, देन Na प्लस आयन, आणि दिस information we have to study detail into the ionic solid. Such a homogeneous and uniform arrangement we have to observe into the crystalline solid. The crystalline solid are the homogeneous solid, means the arrangement of constituent particle is a uniform, is a regular. Like that, here we have to see the one Na plus ion is surrounded by the 4 Cl minus ion. Is a repeatively pattern, just like a periodic table. In the group, the same group have the same characteristic, just like that. In the solid there is a long range order. Is the order implies some the sort of repetition in the structure. There is a repetition of a structure, म्हणजे एका आयन नंतर दुसरा आयन नंतर परत पहिला आयन, अशा प्रकारची त्याची रिपिटेशन असते. आणि त्याच्या ज्या प्रॉपर्टी असते, पिरियोडिसिटी जी असते, जसं इथे तुम्ही वॉच पाहता का एकदा का सेकंद काटा 3 वर गेल्यानंतर पुन्हा तो 6, 9, 12 पुन्हा तो 3 वर येणारच आहे. जस्ट लाईक दॅट, जसा एक ॲटम गेला पुन्हा दुसरा आला, परत तो पहिला येणारच आहे. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पिरियोडिसिटी प्रॉपर्टीज असं म्हणतो आपण. लॉंग रेंज म्हणजेच कंटिन्युटी असते त्याच्यामध्ये. जस्ट लाईक दॅट वी हॅव टू सी द NaCl स्ट्रक्चर. सपोज हिअर the blue ball is represented by Cl minus and the brown is a Na plus ion. Then there is a repetitively arrangement, okay, and there is a periodicity of an atom takes place. Is a definition of that. The constituent particle are arranged in a definite repeating pattern. In the crystalline solid, we have to remind the constituent particle are arranged into the definite repeating pattern. जस्ट लाईक दॅट इज वन ऑफ द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड. हे तुम्ही खेळणं आपण बघितलेलंच, आपण कलर मॅच करतोय, नंबर मॅच करतो याच्यावर. मग हे वन ऑफ द क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड आहे. तर अशा प्रकारे हे युनिट सेल, इथे मी आता एक युनिट सेल काढलेलं आहे, एक स्ट्रक्चर काढलेलं आहे त्याचं बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. आणि मग असे हे बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर असे आपण त्याला रिपिटिव्हली पॅटर्नमध्ये काढणार आहे. आपण सेम स्ट्रक्चर आपण रिपिटिव्हली काढत चाललं. ही आपली फ्रंटची लाईन झाली. आता आपण बॅकला काढतोय बघा. ऑब्झर्व केलं तर बॅकला सुरू केलं आपण काढायचं. इज अ अबो, इज अ साईड. तर अशा प्रकारे जे स्ट्रक्चर तयार होतं, जे रिपिटिव्हली अरेंजमेंट, द कन्स्टिट्युएंट पार्टिकल दे आर द रिपिटिव्हली अरेंज, त्यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण? क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड. आणि हे जे आपण एक एक स्ट्रक्चर वाढवत चाललो आहे, हे बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर आहे क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिडचं. आणि या बेसिक स्ट्रक्चरलाच आपण काय म्हणतोय? युनिट सेल. म्हणजे just like a atom is the smallest particle of a element, just like that the unit cell is a basic repeating pattern of a crystalline solid. And these are the aggregate, the crystalline solid are aggregate small tiny crystal is called as the unit cell, very small. And on the basis of that we have to solve the exercise. The crystalline solid are ... and have ... order. They are the homogeneous long range, second one homogeneous short range, heterogeneous long range or heterogeneous short range. Then we have to see they are the homogeneous and long range. म्हणजे A is the right answer. The second one, the NaCl is an example of which type of solid? Is a amorphous, is a crystalline, both or the none. Then example is a crystalline solid. The order implies is a repeativity, is a periodicity, is a unity, or both A and B. Means in the crystalline solid there is a repetitive and the periodicity is also present, therefore both A and B is the right answer. And the basic unit of crystalline solid is a unit cell, is a small tiny crystal, both A and B or none of these. बेसिक क्रिस्टलाइन जो बेसिक युनिट आहे क्रिस्टलाइन सॉलिड त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, इज अ युनिट सेल. ओके, अँड थँक यू.